Don't you usually?
Just have fun?
Yeah, I'll bring
Just have fun. All right.
Are we having fun though?
Are we only having fun?
What
I
if
would
I do
like to
this? Does
just
this
have
make it a
fun.
little more fun? It's a little weird. I've never gone straight pure.
Pure
like,
skin?
Yeah, skin on skin was weird.
Yeah. How do you feel about
I
it?
feel also bad because my hand was a little clammy.
It was a little clammy.
Yeah, sorry.
I'm not the best Bomberman player, and I know that you and Trisha are both pretty damn good at the Bomberman, so I'm a little nervous. I'm afraid.
I'm actually engaged to a man called John Bomberman.
John Bomberman. Shut that door. I hear a lot of dumb sounds coming out of it. Could you ever imagine in your lifetime a poop from someone banning them from your home? Lee, this show means a lot to me. It'd be nice if you didn't, like, call me a dildo as you came out of the room while I was about to shoot
I'm sorry, I meant it as a term of endearment. You know how much I love dildos.
I don't know how much you love dildos. You have one in right now. Oh, I'm sorry, we didn't see you guys there. This is a show called Table Talk.
Here,
where we
let's
take-
start from the real beginning. We're not using any of this.
I think he will.
Especially the yelling. Cut, go, beep, and come back, and Steve, you and I just look really shaken.
No, stop it.
Try to cover up as much of my body as possible. I don't like people knowing.
Elliot just comes
I
in
have
with
skin.
layers on layers. No one knows why.
It's because he's
That was
covered
really
in tattoos.
touchy.
That's why.
That's the only reason I wear ties, is just one extra, even if it's a small layer.
That's something
As much
extra.
as I can do, yeah.
Which is, he's good friends with Philip Superman.
And Phil Spiderman.
Spider-Man. Yeah, we love Phil Spider-Man. Have you met Robert Ironman?
No, I
he's
haven't.
pretty
I
great.
would love to meet
He's
him.
a great guy.
Guys, here's what it looked like when we played Bomberman. All right,
John Ironman.
John Ironman.
There's so many more, right? And this one here happens to be my favorite from the Park Stars series. If I could get the fucker out of the box! This one here just so happens to be my favorite. This one here just so happens to be my favorite of the Park Stars, I keep wanting to say. You know, Park Stars is a cold that went around Knott's Berry Farm when the strawberries had SARS and it was killing kids. The kids were dying as they'd put their thumb in the jelly, and then next thing you know, they got SARS. Park SARS. Look it up.
Going into the final week where we're playing.
Puzzle Fighter! That's a game that's kind of like Puzzle Bobble or Bust-A-Move or Tetris, but it's got like, you know, Capcom characters.
So we restructured head-to-head.
Yes.
Now would be a good time to explain the new rules. 4 people square off, and it's a gauntlet style, and then the top 2 have to face the bottom 2 in a round-robin style tournament at which the victor will then proceed to the government to take their throne at the top of the king. At the bottom, the lower half has to compete with the second and the third place to compete for the bronze. Once the bronze is accomplished, it's delivered to the king on the top of the throne, which is then...
It's Rex from Star Tours. You know, he's gone from the ride now because George Lucas likes to change things that we love just because he can. You know, he's got a lot of money and power, and he's like, you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna take Rex out. I keep money in my gobble. Got at least 12,000 in there. Doubloons. Spanish.
Thank you for not just tossing it. I was like, is he about to fucking throw that thing?
It's funny because I did the same thing. I still put it on the card.
Yeah, I was gonna say, it's
That's fine.
It's
I
just
was
close.
I was worried it was gonna hit something that like the light, and then it's like this weird
Ding. And
Yeah.
then
All right.
And it just smells like burnt lollipop.
Wanna get in this?
Yeah, let's do it!
Why the fuck do your shorts also have glasses? Whatever. Let's do this.
Because I'm fucking rad.
Cool. Hipster.
Where the hell do I begin? You can't even see what I have. Oh, I know, right here. RoboCop's Ed 209 is the place that that's the way I want to show it to you. And he makes frightening sounds like this. All right, hold on. And this. Okay, hold on. And this. There's definitely other sounds going on in there, like people talking. And this. And this. Remember in the movie when it like falls down the stairs and it's like wee, 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 wee.
All right, so I won this one. Thank you, thank you. But Phil and I are now tied for first place, but it's anybody's game going into the last week where we'll be playing. All right, so I won this one, and now Phil and I are tied for first place, but it's the last week where we'll be playing. No, fuck, that was such a weird delivery. All right. Fuck. Guys, it's anybody gay. It's anybody gay.
It's anybody's gay here, so, and that's fine. Let's get this guy open, shall we? Yeah. I wrote, it's funny because the next lines are me going, oh shit, it's amazing, just look at it. And I've never seen it, so I was like writing my anticipation. I was writing like the future. We got the classic twist tie situation here. You know, if you're a father or a weird older boy that buys toys like I am, you know all about the twist ties. And in fact, I'm hoping that the editors keep all of these moments where I'm untwisting toys so we can have like a really fun montage at the end of the year of me just silently untwisting toys. That's supposed to go further in. That's what she said. Hey guys, welcome to the brand new TV show where we're going to watch House of Cards.
Were you waiting for someone to save you?
You sound like a tape that the substitute teacher put on. Hi, kids, and welcome to the reproductive system.
We've already started fantastically. It's TV show. Is that what we actually call it, or is that internally?
TV show,
cool.
TV show.
Welcome. I'm gonna look at my computer.
This is Philip DeFranco.
Do you want to start again?
Yes, let's do it one more time. Check out my pants sometime. They're pretty great. You know, they're jeans, so. These good styles, little skinny, they're like kind of skinny jeans, but you know, I missed the boat on the skinny jean popularity train, but now I'm on it. Yeah, it's because I bought them from a man, you know, William Aquaman.
Oh, William Aquaman.
Yeah, he sells pants. He sells jeans.